Welcome to Pakistan, a land where history, culture, and nature converge in breathtaking harmony. Join us as we embark on a journey through this enchanting country, revealing its hidden gems and timeless wonders. Our adventure begins in the majestic northern regions, home to some of the world's most awe-inspiring landscapes. Here, the mighty K2 stands sentinel, challenging climbers from across the globe. As we venture through Hunza, Swat, and Skardu, the serenity of crystal-clear lakes and verdant meadows unfolds, painting a picture of tranquility and natural grandeur. Fairy Meadows, with its panoramic views of Nanga Parbat, beckons nature lovers and adventurers alike. But Pakistan's beauty is not confined to its mountains. The sprawling Cholistan Desert offers a stark contrast, where ancient forts rise from the sands, telling tales of a bygone era. Meanwhile, the hill stations of Mari and Galiat provide cool respite during the summer months, surrounded by lush greenery and fresh mountain air. Delving into the heart of Pakistan, we uncover a cultural tapestry rich with history and tradition. The ancient city of Mohenjo-Daro and the architectural marvels of Lahore Fort and Badshahi Mosque are silent witnesses to the country's storied past. The vibrant streets of Lahore and Peshawar pulse with life, offering a vivid blend. No exploration of Pakistan is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From the aromatic spices of biryani and kebabs to the hearty comfort of nihari and saag, Pakistani cuisine is a feast for the senses. Street food aficionados will find joy in samosas, chaat, and golgappas, while those with a sweet tooth can savor gulab jamun. For those seeking adventure, Pakistan offers a playground like no other. Trekking and mountaineering opportunities abound in the north, while the Indus River invites you to partake in fishing and thrilling water sports. Beyond its landscapes and flavors, it is the warmth of the Pakistani people that truly leaves a mark. Known for their legendary hospitality, locals welcome travelers with open arms and hearts, making every visitor feel at home. As we wander through bustling markets filled with handmade crafts, we experience the genuine kindness and generosity that define the spirit of Pakistan. Join us as we explore the wonders of Pakistan, a traveler's paradise where every corner promises discovery and adventure. From towering peaks to historic cities, from tantalizing tastes to heartfelt welcomes, Pakistan awaits your exploration. Are you ready to uncover its secrets?